Hi, I'm Pamela, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Canva's video editor. Welcome to Content Clarity, a channel where I will be showing you all the tips and advice surrounding content creation and content planning for your business so you can scale it online with ease. So back to the Canva video editor. Now this is a relatively new feature inside Canva, and it is an amazing editor. If you are new to video, just getting involved, you're maybe not sure about it, you've maybe opened iMovie and absolutely panicked, well, Canva Video Editor is so simple, you cannot get it wrong. So let me now flip across to my screen and walk you through how you can use Canva Video Editor. So from the main Canva dashboard, you'll notice this little video icon. Now when you click on it, you will get a range of different placement sizes ready to go so that you don't have to worry or even think about the sizing of your video. I'm just going to go back to the first one and we'll just create a blank one. So it will upload a new template design screen. You can drag and drop your video files into here, and you can add as many as you like. I've just dropped exactly this video in its entirety, filmed the sort of top and tail of this video in one go. I'm now going to go in and show you how you can split that up into the sort of start and the end. I've just made it the size of the screen there. And then essentially what we're going to do is we're just going to find that bit in the video where I actually start to talk. So I'm just turning it down so you don't hear it. So let me just find that bit where I'm setting the mic up to record there. So let me just find the bit where I actually start to talk about the video. So I'm just looking for the bit where I'm like, hey, my name's Pamela. So let me just find that. I think it's about there. Yeah. Come on, talk. There we go. Right, so I'm going to just drag it to there. So it's as easy as that, and it just crops that bit off, just trims it in its entirety. That bit is now gone. You can of course drag it back if you wish, if you went too far, but you're literally just clicking with your mouse and dragging in. Once you've got the end point, you can then right click and hit split. So that's where it's like the start bit and the end bit of the video. I'm just wanting to make sure if I play that back that we've got that right. Let me just make sure. I think it's just a little bit more if I drag it in. And again, you can go over here and you can actually zoom in to each segment of the video, so you can make it bigger, so you can actually trim it in perfectly, you know, so like you're almost zooming in on the time. So that you can actually drag it right in to where it starts, so you don't end up with any sort of like dead air spots, you know, in between the clips. So you can find that exact millisecond point and just drag it in. Once you've done that across all of your clips and you've split them and you've trimmed them and you're happy with it, you can then go in and start adding different things. So again, like any Canva template or any Canva design, you can go in, you can add text, for example. Oh, let me just make sure. Yeah. We can add text, for example. So again, if I just want to say at the start of this video, put my name on there, for example, or the company name, I'm just going to make that my font, my brand font there, which is P22. I'm just going to type in my name and at Content Clarity. And then make sure that it is left aligned. Make sure that it's the right size. It didn't left align that top line, did it? There we go. And so it's just going to drag that now where I want it to be in the video. Get rid of Grammarly. Thank you very much for your input. So we're just going to drag that down to where I want it to appear on screen. So like any other Canva template or design, you can go in and animate the text. So I'm going to just have that fade in and fade out on my video. So I'm just going to select that animation. You can select from any of the animations you want. So there we go. I'm quite happy with that. If I just show you how that plays in, it just fades in really, really nicely. It doesn't just like starkly just appear and then it fades out. That's quite nice. Quite happy with that. Now I'm talking about Canva in this video, so I might want a Canva logo to appear right at the point where I say Canva. So I've split this introduction into two again, because on the second bit I want this Canva logo to appear at exactly that point. and I'm going to have it pop in. So I'm just animating that so that it pops in. I'll get rid of my name at that point. So if I just play that right at the start again for you. So name fades in, fades out, and Canva appears and Canva disappears, and then I go into my spiel. So there we have it. So there you have it. Give it a go and see how you get on, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, because I'll be back again soon with some more Canva tips for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.